Welcome back, everybody. It's time now for a complete look at the weather with our chief meteorologist, Dan Cianca. Dan, how's it looking?
Well, don't make any promises, Maxwell. I don't know if we're going to get all the way to complete look. Nah, we'll get the whole thing out. This is our full weather segment. It's looking nice out there, just cold at night. And I want to go back to October. Okay, the first week of November was kind of busy. We had a lot of rain coming through. And usually I like to do these look backs on the weather of the months when we get all the data in and talk about, was it above normal? Was it below normal? Was it normal? Well, let's talk about October. In this case, most locations were a little bit below normal. Now, before we get too deep into these numbers, think back to September when we were experiencing some severe heat in most cities across our region. Most climate sites had high or average temperatures that were 3 to 7 degrees above normal, which is pretty impressive. Now, back in September, or back in October, I should say, we weren't quite there. It did get hot at the end of September. Do you remember that? We had a couple days that were pretty toasty. I remember my parents were in town. We were up at Gizditch Ranch, north of Watsonville, having some pie and some ice cream and just melting. I mean, it was like 95 degrees that day in late October. But overall, temperatures on average were below normal. Watsonville, 2 degrees below normal, 3 degrees below normal in Monterey. So it was a cool month. Salinas was close to normal. Hollister was as well. But temperatures on average below normal. So there you go, temperature-wise. How about in the future? Where are we headed? Well, overnight lows will be below normal. We've had below normal highs for most of the month of November so far as well. So we're picking up right where October left off. Now, as we head through the overnight hours, temperatures expected to get quite chilly. Skies will stay mostly clear. We do have just a couple of clouds on the coast, and there is some cloud cover offshore. It's associated with a weak upper level low that is dry for the most part, which is moving down the coast. Now, this low won't bring us any precipitation, maybe just a couple of clouds overnight, but as it continues to move south and the ridge to the north strengthens, you see the arrows on the bottom of the high and the arrows on the top of the low, the L here, both headed eastward. This is offshore flow. So this offshore flow that's right here is going to move a little bit farther down as we head into tomorrow and Wednesday. That offshore flow is going to mean even drier air here at the coast. And while we won't see any strong winds locally, Southern California is expected to see some strong Santa Ana winds on Wednesday, which is going to increase the fire danger down there. So if you're headed down there, expect an increased fire danger. Just be careful. Now here locally, we had quite a bit of rain, obviously, at the beginning of the month. Things are pretty wet still, which is good news, and the winds won't be all that strong. It will be dry, so we're going to elevate the fire danger a little bit, but it's not something you need to panic about, is all I'm saying. After that, the ridge kind of tries to build back in from the west. It'll be fighting the big cold block across the rest of the country. And then out of the weekend, one weather system looks like it's going to try and sneak into Northern California. This is kind of new showing up in the models. It's trending a little farther south, so we'll have to watch. We might be talking about some rain early next week. At the moment, we haven't put it on the maps just yet, but well, stay tuned to the weather this week. Futurecast is going to keep us mostly clear overnight. As I mentioned, a couple of low clouds possible around the peninsula. And then throughout the day tomorrow, it's going to be sunny. So the clear skies overnight, dry air, cold temperatures. Our lows will be below normal for this time of year. The sunny skies tomorrow afternoon, that drier air and a warming air mass means temperatures are going to warm up. We'll actually start to get closer to normal. We've been below normal for quite some time. Here's a look at my forecast. We're going to get down into the low 30s in the Santa Cruz Mountain Valleys where patchy frost will be possible. Highs back in the mid to upper 60s. So the afternoon will feel nice. 68 downtown Santa Cruz tomorrow. 64 over to Capitola. On the east shore of the bay, look at it, 68 in Watsonville, Marina, 70 in Salinas and Hollister tomorrow. It's been a while since we've seen any 70s, especially near the coast. Soak it up tomorrow afternoon, but the morning tomorrow, chilly, 34 in San Juan Bautista, 35 in Hollister tomorrow. Over to the Monterey Peninsula, lows in the upper 30s to low 40s, and then highs back in the mid to upper 60s tomorrow, 66 expected in Monterey. And then farther south, expecting lows to be on the cold side with some 20s in our southern valleys. Bradley, Parkfield, almost, Pinnacles, San Antonio Valley, King City in the mid-30s overnight, same in Greenfield and Soledad. Could see some patchy frost around your neck of the woods, but highs return to the upper 60s tomorrow afternoon. So let's look at that 7-day forecast. On the coast with that offshore flow, we'll see highs in the mid to upper 60s. In fact, highs expected to be a degree or two above normal through Wednesday. Then that offshore flow ceases and we'll see a slight onshore kick, and that will cool us down a bit, it looks like, on Thursday and probably into Friday and Saturday as well. Now, out of the weekend, again, we're watching things mixing up a little bit. Could see some rain early next week, but probably not a lot. Either way, it looks like temperatures are going to be a little warmer. Inland nights getting chilly. Almost every day this week we have a chance of frost inland. The afternoons will be pretty nice, though. And of course, Maxwell will be keeping a close eye on any rain chances next week. Right now, expect the next 6 days at least to be dry.
All right. Well, thank you, Dan.